Hello guys, how are you all? Merry Christmas. Yes, today is Christmas Day and I and my family, we are going for a Christmas get together, and I thought to vlog this day. It's been a long time that I have not vlogged, so I thought to vlog, and this is me officially welcoming you all to this Christmas vlog. Come along with me. Yes, let's go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas from Sean. Merry Christmas from Zed. We are the Idahosa family. You're welcome. So, quick story time. The dress I'm rocking, which I'll be showing the full outfit later, was gifted to me by my leading lady on my birthday. And it's amazing how I've kept this dress in my wardrobe ever since, because I've not really found any perfect place to wear it. So, but this Christmas, I just say, oh, come on. This is the purpose why you were gifted to me, and I love it. And my hair also, I've had it for a very long time. It's a coily hair that I've not been using. So, like, the hair is looking so new. It's a new hair, but I've not just been rocking it. Is that not how we leave things in our wardrobe and we don't use them and we think we still need more? So anyhow, we got to the venue of the Christmas get together. It was hosted in a church. It's a big church, and then we had the Christmas word, like how Jesus came to the world, why he came, and the whole essence of the preaching was to encourage people to keep giving, because Christmas is all about giving, and to encourage people to have hope in Christ, because is the hope of our, when we have hope in Christ, then we are sure of tomorrow. So after that, we dive into the food. We started eating. It was a banquet, it was a buffet, so you can take whatever you like. Just your girl, I was just trying different things, and just my assistant now, they know they carry last. We were also eating. We met our family friends, the Osaiges, the Sugabas, and my very good friend Edith, and the kids, and so many other people. It was a good time out. Like, it's one of our best Christmas so far. So after that, we ate and everybody just started talking, and a lot of people left, and we are the inner carcass here, the Osaiges, the Sugabas, and with Dennis and family. So we started dancing. Guess the song we're singing here? Who's your guy? Yeah, these are my guys, my all-time guys from the one in Switzerland. So we're just dancing. It was a happy moment. It was a good way to end the year. We danced and danced and danced. It was so beautiful. It was a sight to behold. We burned all the calories that we have eaten. Meanwhile, how did you spend your Christmas? Did you spend it with family, friends, or were you just chilling at home? Just let me know in the comment section how you spent your Christmas. Like I said, it's just going to be a short one. This is my full outfit, the dress gifted to me by my beloved one, and I love it. Mega shout out to you and Skin and Mom. So that's it. How does the gown look on me? I think it's so good on me. I love it. You know, it has this long slits, and I had to come through with pop socks to cover my legs since it's winter. And that's my amazing friend Edith, one of my best gifts in Switzerland. Yes, she's so cute, she's so generous, and she's so loving. That's her daughter Mariah, and Yanis was the one behind the camera. He refused to show his face on the camera. Yeah. Yes, it was nice. And these are Seth and Sean. This is their outfit. I bought it the last time I came to England. They were big size, but I hope that it will fit them in December. And the outfit came through. It was perfect on them this December. How do we look? It's giving a silver vibe for the Idahosa family. Yeah. Yeah. And yes, that's it, people. And normally my husband will not dance, but this day he was dancing and dancing and dancing. And these are our inner carcass, my mamas, my sisters, my all time. This was our host, like he invited us, and he's my brother. Yeah. So that's it, people. Let me know how you spend the Christmas holiday. So leave me a comment. By the time you are watching this video, I'm sure everybody is back to work and everybody's back to the normal life. Yeah, so let me know. Drop me a comment. I love the way we spend the Christmas. Even my kids were saying, "Mommy, this is the best Christmas ever. It's the best Christmas ever." Yeah, considering the fact that I was out of town last year for my friend's 40th in England. So guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. We are coming to the end of the year and I hope to do better next year. I love you all. Bye bye.